with Chef Ricardo cooking program. We always stay into that, guys. No one of them we're gonna come with some stir-fried cabbage and the recipe, just to remind us that cabbage is very healthy for us, veg is very good for us, and we must keep up with the veg. So now one of them you might see quite a few veg just coming on the YouTube channel. Be with Chef Ricardo, we have to do this, guys, just to make the things keep rolling good. Anyway, remember my cooking book is out, get your copy, and today is 2 years now since I've been on YouTube, where I put up that video earlier. Oh, YouTube changed my whole entire life. You can watch the video and you can leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. A lot of people asking a lot of questions, oh, YouTube changed your life, but if you do what I'm doing, your life can be changed just like mine. So guys, just see, bear with me, and we have a lot more recipe coming up for you. If you don't see the recipe on the YouTube, so right here, guys, I got 1 medium-sized carrot which I just diced up just now, guys, as you can see. Right over here, I just cut up 2 tomato, medium-sized tomato. I got some mixed pepper right here, guys. I got the red pepper and the yellow pepper, green pepper. Some fresh white onion right here. We got some fresh, lovely, as you can see right here, we got some fresh garlic. Right over here, I cut up quarter of cabbage, guys. Not a lot of cabbage, as you can see. It's just quarter. By the time it cook down, it's going to be shrink. And basically, we're going to serve this with that lovely chicken at the side, guys. You can enjoy the recipe, and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program one more time with Chef Ricardo. So as you can see, we got a lot more recipe coming out day by day for you. Enjoy it. Nice one. So right here, as you can see, my medium-sized frying pan is on the stove about 2 to 3 minutes now. Pretty hot. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil straight inside of the frying pan, guys. So basically, you need to do what I'm doing right here. Make your frying pan get warm, and when it get warm, the best thing is, so right here I'm gonna put in my veg. You guys can see exactly what's going on. Give it a nice lovely stir fry. Cabbage, really nice. Goes really well. And basically we're gonna put in the cabbage. Nice one. Little pepper. Teaspoon of salt. And basically cover it for 3 minutes until it cook on a medium-sized heat. Not too high, medium-sized heat, guys. Turn your stove a little bit low if it's too high, because you don't want to burn it. So as you can see, take time going down, guys, and cooking very small and a medium-sized heat. You don't need to have a high temperature when you're doing these kind of stir-fry veg, guys. Nice one, as you can see, steaming. Now we're gonna put a large teaspoon of butter inside of it. Give it some flavor, make it get melt down. Turn up a flame a little bit higher now. Nice one, let's saw the salt taste in it. Just a little pinch more. Nice one. So we're gonna leave this one 5 more minutes and it's gonna be ready. Alright, now this is ready, guys. So this is where it's standing. Really nice and beautiful. Hopefully you like the recipe. Please leave your comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes like these coming up for you. I want to enjoy the vegetarian dish. As you can see, oh nice stir-fried cabbages, guys, is just amazing. You know you can do this at home and just eat some natural healthy food and keep yourself really healthy. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Please leave your comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Got a lot more similar recipe like this coming out. As I said before, none of them you might see videos like this come up. Enjoy it. You can share this with some dumpling, anything you like, yam, breakfast, bring it to work. You can do anything with it. So enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.